Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Bing ads. As you know, in the last video we have created conversion tracking tags directly to the Shopify backend in the Bing ads account. And in the last video you have seen how we can do that, how we can implement conversion tracking directly to the Shopify backend in the Bing ads account. And in today's video I will let you know how to create shopping feed like Bing's merchant center. Like you can create Bing merchant center directly to the Shopify app as well, and you can submit all the product with the help of that particular app, and then you can create shopping campaign like Bing ads shopping campaign with the help of that merchant center. So all the things will be discussed in today's video. I will let you know how you can do it, how you can submit the product, how you can fetch that product in the merchant center account in Bing ads account, and then how you can create campaign with that as well. So let's discuss that, and I will give you a brief about that in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. As you can see, first of all, we just need to go to the Shopify backend. We are on the Shopify backend right now, and then you need to go to app section, and here the app, if you have seen my old video, this is the app which we have used to create conversion tracking tags in the Shopify backend, like in the Bing ads with the help of Shopify backend. And this is the name of the app, like Feeds API for Bing Shopping MS. So you can install this app as well. If you will see my old video, you can see how we can do it. And then you just need to click on that particular link. After clicking on that, it will redirect you to this landing page. Here you can see we have already integrated our app correctly. Everything is done. Now you just need to go to the manage products, because when you connected everything here, as in the last video I've already told you how you can connect it. Once you connected it here in the manage product section, you can see all the products which is in the Shopify. So all the products will be submitted and they are ready to use. As you can see, the green signal submitted mean to say yes, these products are now ready to use, so we can use it in the merchant center account, like Bing merchant center accounts. And now let me show you where you can see your Bing's merchant center account. You just need to go to the Bing ads account, as I have already in the Bing ads account, and you can see different campaigns are already running and we are getting sales as well. And in these options you can see the merchant center option. Like if you heard about Google ads, you have seen like there is a particular different platform, Google Merchant Center. It's called Google Merchant Center, which we use to create feeds and other things and manage feeds. But yes, in the Bing ads account, they will give us the option inbuilt. The merchant center option is inbuilt in the account. You can use it for advertisement. You can see your product is approved or not. Everything which we need from the merchant center type, we can use it here. So you just need to click on the merchant center, and then it will redirect you to this landing page. And here you can see the Alpine mode. This is our M store, like Bing ad merchant store. We just need to click on it, and once you click on it, you can see the green means the products that are active, the yellow means the products that are pending, the expiring was 0, like the product who have expired, like removed from the website, which will show in here, and the rejected ones, the products that are rejected. So in that way you can see which of your products are ready to use or which are not. So this is same like Google Merchant Center. In Google Merchant Center we see our product feed. If there is an error in any product, image is not showing and different kind of error happens, so we can resolve it in the Merchant Center account, in the Google Merchant Center account, when we use Google Merchant Center. But yes, if we are using a Bing Merchant Center account, so you need to make sure that that product will be showcased here, and here from here you can go to the product section, and if there is any product which is not like eligible or active, you can solve their error from this particular merchant center option. And you can also show like which particular product, as you can see, which particular product is getting clicked, which is not. So everything will be shown here, your feeds, your import, your promotion, your settings. So everything regarding the merchant center will be here, your shipping policy, your SFFT, product listing, everything will be here. So you can easily use it, and then you can create the campaigns with the help of that as well. And with the help of this merchant center, as you can see, I have already created some campaigns as well. So this is how you can create Bing feed through Shopify backend, and with the help of the app which I have mentioned in this. So in this way you can use your merchant center account in the Bing ads account as well. You can advertise your product on Bing with the help of this particular app. So I think now you are able to do the same at your end as well. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.